Well, hi there, everyone. It's Leon the Milkman here. As you can see, I'm dressed up for something, and it's for the Cheese Festival that is happening at Sandringham Farm, just outside of Stellenbosch, on the 23rd to the 25th of September. And I hope to see you there. Come and look for our stand. It'll be cheesemaking.co.za. So that's Leon the Milkman and Elaine from cheesemaking.co.za. Come and say hello, take a funny pic with us. You will enjoy the Cheese Festival. There's lots of entertainment. There's fantastic wine, cheese, of course, lots of other nice food, big lawns. Bring the whole family. You can buy your ticket at cheesefestival.co.za. So cheesefestival.co.za. Buy your ticket. Don't miss out. 23 to 25 September 2023. And come and meet Leon the Milkman. That's me, and Elaine, my wife, from cheesemaking.co.za. Take a pic with us and look at our courses, cheese making courses, and all the other stuff we have to offer. Looking forward to meeting you there. Cheers, Leon the Milkman.